Hold on to your seats, folks. There's been an earthquake in the world of artificial intelligence. It seems like DeepSeek didn't just come to play, but to completely overthrow ChatGPT. After more than 2 years of ChatGPT ruling the market, here comes DeepSeek, pulling the rug right out from under it. The financial shockwaves have been massive, with Silicon Valley losing over $1 trillion. Nvidia alone took a hit of more than $600 billion. The numbers speak for themselves. ChatGPT's daily visits plummeted from 22.1 million in October 2024 to just 14 million in January 2025. Meanwhile, DeepSeek's visits skyrocketed from a mere 2,300 to 71,000 per day over the same period. And wait, there's more! The Chinese app boasts over 7 million global users and is topping app stores in 140 countries. But here's the million-dollar question. Are we witnessing the beginning of the end for ChatGPT? Can DeepSeek actually dethrone OpenAI from the top? Let me know what you think in the comments below. And don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe for the latest updates in AI.